Today we are going to the big city zoo with our lovely grandma, and we feel very excited, cheerful, and full of joy. Grandma is buying tickets for us at the busy entrance counter while we stand beside her patiently and wait happily with bright smiles. Wow, that big lion is roaring very loudly inside its strong cage, and the powerful sound makes us feel surprised and amazed. Look at the tall giraffe eating fresh green leaves from the very top of the tall tree in the sunny zoo garden. The elephant is spraying cool water with its long trunk and playing happily near the sparkling blue water pool. The funny monkeys are jumping, swinging, and playing happily in the tall trees while making silly sounds and funny faces. That beautiful bird is flying high in the clear blue sky and moving its wide wings slowly and gracefully. The penguins are swimming together in the blue water, diving under the surface and splashing playfully. The crocodile is resting quietly near the water with its mouth open, showing its sharp white teeth. We are buying cold and tasty ice cream from the zoo shop and smiling widely with excitement. We are waving goodbye to all the animals before leaving the zoo gate with happy hearts. It's time to go back home now after spending a fun, exciting, and wonderful day together.